Let's see how you can get the backup codes on Instagram. Backup codes on Instagram allow users to regain access to their accounts in case they can't access their usual authentication methods such as their phone or authentication app. In order to get them, we're going to open the Instagram application on our iPhone or Android device and then go over to your Instagram profile. We'll then have to go over to our Instagram settings, and we'll do that by tapping on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then select the settings option at the top. When you get to the Instagram settings, you should see this Account Center option at the very top of the page. And we want to click on this button called See More in Account Center. That's going to open this page where we have a bunch of options and settings for our Instagram and Facebook accounts. But in order to get the backup codes, select the password and security. Open this two-factor authentication option. If you don't have the two-factor authentication option enabled or turned on, you will have to enable it, because we can't generate the codes without this enabled. The backup codes are a security layer that work together with the two-factor. So if you don't have it enabled, just turn it on and we can continue to the next step. You then want to select the Instagram or Facebook account for which you need to get the backup codes. I'm going to get them for my Instagram account and then select the additional methods here. You can see that I have the backup codes right here, so I'll select this. And here they are. You can use these backup codes only once, and make sure that you keep these codes in a safe place. You may want to write these down or take a screenshot and keep that safe somewhere. You can use these codes if you don't have access to your mobile phone, or if you have a problem with getting the text message with the verification code when you use the two-factor authentication. So instead of the 6-digit verification code, you can use one of these codes only once. If you need new codes, simply click on the Get New Codes option, and then Instagram will generate a new set of codes that you can use to log into your Instagram account.